Okay, kids, please stand by as the plane is being de-iced, which will hold us back around 30 minutes. So the weather is forecast to be very windy, and as far as I'm concerned, the flight will be pretty unstable. I mean, we could shuffle some passengers around to help with weight balance. Well, why not? I guess I'll leave you to deal with that. Okay, kids, we're gonna have to shuffle a few of you around for weight balance, so let's go.